Chevy's history is full of wild moves, brilliant engineering, and flat-out bizarre moments. Stick around, these 101 facts will surprise you, annoy you, and maybe even make you laugh. Number 1. In 2010, GM sent an internal memo telling employees not to call the brand Chevy. The email leaked and caused public backlash. Number 2. In 2017, Chevy engineers attended Ford's public factory tours to film and time assembly steps. Number 3. Many Chevrolet model names historically started with C: Corvette, Camaro, Cobalt, Cavalier, Caprice. Number 4. A secret Corvette test mule called the Blue Devil became the ZR1 and later survived a museum sinkhole. Number 5. The origin of the Chevy bowtie logo is unclear. Several stories exist but none confirmed. Number 6. From 1999 to 2006, many Chevy trucks left the factory with individual names and birth dates hidden in trim. Number 7. The Silverado is one of the most stolen trucks in the United States. Number 8. Chevy's 1LE performance parts were once installed covertly on some Camaros. Number 9. William Durant founded GM, was fired, co-founded Chevrolet, then used Chevrolet to regain control of GM. Number 10. The Suburban has appeared in thousands of films and TV shows and received a Walk of Fame star. Number 11. Chevrolet has produced hundreds of millions of vehicles over its history. Number 12. The 1963 Corvette's split rear window lasted 1 year and became instantly collectible. Number 13. The C5 Corvette was the last production car with pop-up headlights. Number 14. Some Corvettes use more radiators than many hypercars to manage extreme cooling needs. Number 15. Chevy has licensed unusual products, including beer, soap, and branded coffins. Number 16. Engineers removed or modified badges during testing when logos blocked airflow. Number 17. GM has sometimes extended warranties quietly instead of issuing public recalls. Number 18. The ignition switch defect led to a massive recall, many deaths, and large legal penalties. Number 19. In 2012, some Chevy Sonics reached customers missing inner brake pads due to an assembly error. Number 20. The EV1 was an early lease-only electric car that GM later reclaimed and destroyed, creating controversy. Number 21. Chevy secretly funneled racing parts to private teams during official racing bans. Number 22. Chevy's provocative Super Bowl ads have triggered rival reactions and headlines. Number 23. The Camaro's revival was helped by its role as Bumblebee in the Transformers films. Number 24. Some Chevys include backseat reminders that reduce the risk of leaving children or pets behind. Number 25. The Chevy small block V8 is one of the most produced V8 engine families in history. Number 26. The Vega was engineered for vertical shipping using the Vertipack system to save transport costs. Number 27. Louis Chevrolet left the company early, later worked as a mechanic for the brand bearing his name, and died poor. Number 28. Magnetic ride control originated at Chevy and became widely licensed. Number 29. GM's financial deals in the 2000s helped shape later industry consolidations and rivals. Number 30. The first Corvettes in 1953 were hand-built, white with red interiors, and made in a rented facility. Number 31. Chevy set a one-year sales record with the Impala that stood for decades. Number 32. The Camaro has been criticized for large blind spots affecting rear visibility. Number 33. A crowdsourced Tahoe ad contest backfired because the internet created negative viral ads. Number 34. The Duramax diesel was initially developed by Isuzu and built in partnership. Number 35. The Lumina APV earned the nickname Dustbuster because designers used the household vacuum as inspiration. Number 36. In French, the word Chevrolet can evoke goat milk. The name has odd language coincidences. Number 37. Capless fuel systems caused clogged filler neck complaints, prompting recommendations for rubber caps. Number 38. The 490 model was priced to match Ford's Model T, sparking a long Chevy-Ford rivalry. Number 39. The C8 Corvette trunk uses soft materials while some door panels do not. Number 40. The Vega included oil pan baffles to survive vertical shipping without fluid spillage. Number 41. The Suburban has been in production since the 1930s, making it one of the longest-running nameplates. Number 42. Chevy contributed to the Lunar Rover program, linking the brand to lunar exploration. Number 43. Camaro was almost named Panther. The final naming story was later spun into legend. Number 44. Early Corvette emblems reference French symbols as a nod to Louis Chevrolet's heritage. Number 45. Early C8 production sold some base cars at a loss to create market buzz, recovering profit on special editions. Number 46. In 1969, Chevy offered a liquid tire chain option for winter use, but it proved too costly. Number 47. Modern Malibus include active noise cancellation as a standard comfort feature. Number 48. Chevy quietly supported racing with back-channel parts and programs in the 1950s. Number 49. Recent Tahoe recalls involved oil specification issues and corrective oil cap updates. Number 50. The 1939 Buick Special introduced turn signals to production cars industry-wide. Number 51. Some ad campaigns leaned into deliberate awkwardness to spark parody and free publicity. Number 52. A large technician-based conference call was used to launch the Camaro and set PR records. Number 53. The small block V8 family has powered cars, boats, and industrial equipment for decades. Number 54. Don Yenko used dealer order channels to create factory-based 427 Camaros for racers. Number 55. Many modern Chevys have hidden, pin-locked compartments behind infotainment screens. Number 56. Engineers cut tiny amounts of weight on performance models, saving grams where it mattered. Number 57. Some Corvette mirrors are intentionally different sizes to improve visibility. Number 58. Chevy ran a no-strings switch program letting rival owners test new Chevys in neutral locations. Number 59. Early automatic transmissions became mainstream across the industry with models Chevy supported. Number 60. The 2013 Traverse introduced a center airbag to reduce driver-passenger contact inside impacts. Number 61. Chevy has dedicated NVH teams that shake and test cars to remove rattles before launch. Number 62. Vacuum-actuated intake flaps and other small engine tricks have appeared on Chevy engines. Number 63. Low-riding culture traces some styling roots back to Chevy Fleetline models. Number 64. The GM ignition switch recall affected millions and remains one of the largest safety scandals. Number 65. The EV1 lease program's end and vehicle destruction remains a controversial part of EV history. Number 66. The Suburban is often cited as the American vehicle most likely to reach 1 million miles. Number 67. Early copper-cooled engines proved unreliable, forcing Chevy to scrap many units. Number 68. New top-tier Chevy trucks offer transparent trailer view systems to improve towing visibility. Number 69. The first Corvettes were built by hand in Flint before wider production began. Number 70. Chevy has quietly recalled fleet and police models earlier than public consumer recalls in some cases. Number 71. Some early 1980s Camaros had notably low power numbers compared to later standards. Number 72. The Buick Riviera was an early production car to feature a touchscreen interface. Number 73. GM largely exited factory right-hand drive markets. Conversions exist through partners. Number 74. GM faced legal bans on selling certain vehicle telematics data after privacy lawsuits. Number 75. Ralph Nader's critique of the Corvair prompted safety reforms and shaped federal auto regulation. Number 77. Chevy is one of NASCAR's most successful manufacturers with hundreds of wins and multiple championships. Number 78. New Silverado development included extensive wind tunnel testing and millions of validation miles. Number 79. Pop culture exposure in films helped convince GM to fully revive the Camaro. Number 80. The Avalanche introduced the midgate and integrated rear step features in pickup design. Number 81. The Impala went through rapid generation changes in its early decades. Number 82. The Colorado has been built in Brazil, Missouri, and Thailand, but not in Colorado. Number 83. Corvette front-end lift systems can store GPS locations for automatic deployment at known obstacles. Number 84. Painting engine blocks became an aesthetic hallmark that started from practical rust prevention. Number 85. Small cost-saving choices, like shortened button text, reflect era-specific manufacturing trade-offs. Number 86. The 1991 S10 Tahoe included glove box cup holders, an unusual ergonomic choice. Number 87. Chevy has honored retiring engineers by etching or including tributes in production runs. Number 88. Magnetic ride control technology was developed and licensed to other automakers. Number 89. Early turbocharged production experiments trace back decades across multiple GM marques. Number 90. The name Corvette refers to a small, fast warship, matching its sports car intent. Number 91. The Buick GNX remains celebrated as a turbocharged performance icon from GM. Number 92. In past decades, automakers reported lower net horsepower numbers to navigate insurance and regulation. Number 93. The C6ZR1 used canopy-grade materials in its hood for strength and lightweight. Number 94. Designers sometimes move between rivals, which explains visual similarities like the HHR and PT Cruiser. Number 95. William Durant nearly attempted to buy Ford before the assembly line revolution changed industry dynamics. Number 96. The Pontiac GTO is widely regarded as the first true muscle car and shape performance marketing. Number 97. The modern Camaro prioritized styling fidelity over trunk practicality in design trade-offs. Number 98. Early pickup chassis like the 1918 Model T were sold as rolling chassis for buyer customization. Number 99. Early automobiles quickly adopted speedometers, with production examples appearing in the early 1900s. Number 100. Silverado factory snowplow packages include reinforced springs, wiring and protection but not the blade. Number 101. Production problems in certain years created extremely rare, one-off Chevrolets that collectors chase. Those are 101 Chevy facts, some brilliant, some embarrassing, and all part of automotive history. If you want a shorter version or SSML timing for TTS, say the word.